Hey guys, it's just a random day. It's a Thursday. Now normally Oreo would go to doggy daycare on Wednesdays, but something came up so he went today and he just got home. Here's Bubba! Hi Oreo, did you have fun at doggy daycare? Today was his first, he goes to doggy daycare and gets groomed at the same place, but today is his first day just going to doggy daycare, and now he's gonna start going every week. The woman who runs it says that he has such a great time. The place that he goes is called Boston Canine. Well, the woman who runs it, her name's Pam, and she is so absolutely sweet because Oreo is quite shy, but she said he had she said he had so much fun today, and I'm so happy that he loves it because, he needs to get some exercise. And oh my god, look at this. And there he is. She said he should sleep really well tonight. Don't mind my mess. I just got an iPad Pro. Isn't that cute? I love it. I got it in the space gray, 128 gigs or something like that. Yeah, I went out with my mom today. We did a little shopping. I just tried to I just edited a quick vlog on here, and it came out nice. I think I can just do quick ones that I don't need to do much editing to. I'm just cutting out something here or there. I can do one here, which is nice. I got the glass screen protector on it so that it doesn't break. I ordered on Amazon a case with a keyboard that is detachable, so that's cool, and it's really inexpensive. Hopefully it works good. I seem to always have this on in my vlogs, and I really don't even wear this one every day. I have other ones that I wear, but this one's just my favorite, and it's so comfy and warm. He is so happy. Look at this, Bubba. Did you have a good time? We're just waiting for Oreo's Nana, Nick's mom, to come home, and his auntie Jessica, so we can go visit. By visit, I mean walk 5 steps into the big house. Oh my god, he's so happy to be home. Are you so happy to be home? You look so tired. But Nick's mom just got new furniture, living room sofa set, so he hasn't seen it yet. Obviously it came today, and we'll see how he likes it. I will report back. Oh my god, he's so sweet. He's so tired. He came home and just drank water too quick. Hi, handsome. Hi, you got gunk in your eye. Ew. Get that gunk out. I feel like a mom. But yeah, I used my new Bissell Crosswave on my floors. It's so good. That's Oreo's pig toy, but they just look great. This Bissell Crosswave is unreal. It vacuums and it mops in one, and I absolutely love it. If you're in the market for, we were in the market for a vacuum cleaner and a mop, as I think I've said before. This does both in one. It's so easy to use. I love it. And the cleanup, the cleanup isn't bad, but it's not the easiest. I'm just trying to let everything dry. See, there's just some fur in here I'll clean out, but the dirty water will go in here, and you'll put it down the toilet and whatnot, and then I just wipe everything down and wet everything. That's a little Bubba. Look at his little nub. Look at this, he's exhausted. I'm gonna go spend some time with Bubba, but I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. Oreo, you fresh? Oh, he just got a shock. Are you fresh? What's in the purse? You got anything good? You better not pull anything out. Got nothing good in there. Can see my Nintendo.
Don't pull anything out.
You can't get it though. There's nothing you can get. Oh, oh, now, aw.
You shy? You camera shy?
Come here. Come here. Oh, fresh. This is what he does when anytime I take out the camera, he gets fresh. No. That's my jacket. Excuse you. Okay, done. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Ooh, new iPad Pro. Mom's drinking decaf coffee because we cut her off of real coffee. I'm just hanging out at Starbucks until we go to the mall. Hannah's here too. And my DS is here. But no street passes. Ugh.
Ladybug. I didn't notice. Don't stop getting like us.
Having a hard time finding this Vaseline. Okay, so I like the blue one that's just like regular. So Nick said go on Amazon, see if they have it. They had, the only one they had is this, like a winter 3-pack. I didn't know, it's so cute. Like, look at the giant tub. Like, I know it comes with 3 of them. Look at Oreo. He's so nosy. But I can't get it out. I didn't know it was like a big tin. This is the cutest thing ever. This one's like a little tin. Winter 3-pack. I would assume it has the aloe, which is the green. Yep. The blue. That's my favorite. That's one I wanted. And then this one, which I already have. But this one I've never tried. That's so cute. Like, look how cute. I thought this was what the tin was going to, like the little tins were going to look like this. Blizzard of 2017. That tree. Some of it is here. Wow. Bubba's just watching the snow. Are you watching the snow? Are you watching the snow? You are. You watching the snow? What's out there? It is a random day. I just filmed a Sephora unboxing. All my stuff's on the floor. I haven't even been taking out my tripod lately. I'm so lazy. But I did my makeup today and I thought it was really cute. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do a little vlog clip. Oreo was at doggy daycare today and I'm like super lonely. And yeah, so I did my makeup, which I am immediately going to take off because my face is breaking out and I don't need any help with more breaking out, like clogged pores. But I just wanted just to show you how cute it is, and I pretty much said every product that I used in my Sephora unboxing. Check that out if it's up. I don't know, I'm just gonna read. It's Read-O-Rama day. I don't even know. I haven't finished any books. Not really doing much today. I'm pretty much just spending my day waiting for Oreo.